Hello, how are you? Today we're diving into the Fujifilm X-S20, a camera packed with features aimed at both photographers and videographers. Whether you're an enthusiast or someone looking to upgrade, this camera brings a lot to the table. Let's break down what makes it stand out. First off, the X-S20 is equipped with a 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. It delivers sharp images with excellent detail and vibrant colors, which is a hallmark of Fujifilm cameras. The X Processor 5 inside ensures fast processing, allowing you to shoot continuously at up to 8 frames per second, which is great for capturing action scenes or fast-moving subjects. One of the standout features is the improved autofocus system. It comes with subject detection AF, which can track human faces, eyes, animals, and even vehicles. This is a major boost for photographers who need reliable focus in challenging conditions. Fujifilm's AF system has always been good, but this camera pushes it further with more accuracy and speed. For videographers, the X-S20 offers impressive video capabilities. It can shoot 6.2K video at up to 30 FPS, giving you high-resolution footage with plenty of detail. Plus, it supports 4K recording at 60 FPS and Full HD slow motion at 240 FPS, offering flexibility for different filming needs. The inclusion of F-Log 2 also provides more dynamic range for color grading in post-production, which is a great feature for creators. Battery life is another area where the X-S20 excels. It uses the NPW235 battery, which provides significantly more power than previous models. You can shoot up to 800 frames on a single charge, which is particularly useful for long shoots without needing to swap batteries frequently. Additionally, the camera is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable. Paired with its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, you can comfortably shoot handheld in various conditions without worrying too much about camera shake. Overall, the Fujifilm X-S20 brings a solid mix of performance and portability. With its powerful autofocus, 6.2K video, and long-lasting battery, it's a strong choice for anyone looking to step up their game in both photography and videography. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching.